Okay, so a quick video tour. It's the pool villa. So you get your own pool here. Little sit down area, nice and shaded. Some sun lounges. Canopy. And just off to the side here, a couple of chairs. Next to where the bedroom will be. And access through here. And there's the front door. Nice flat screen TV. Coffee and tea, which is very important. Nice big chaise long. Big fan, lovely. Air conditioning. Sliding doors into the main bedroom. Double bed. Another big TV. Seating area. Nice cold air conditioning. Into the wardrobe. Slippers. Bathrobes. We have lights that come on automatically. Umbrella. And digital safe. Bedside lights. Power points, all important for doing your charging. Controls for the air conditioning. Mirror full length and table mirror. Jacuzzi. And it looks like a outdoor shower. A shower here. And an outdoor shower here. Spin round. Toilet. And wash basin. And that concludes the tour, I think. Wow. Oh, yeah. We have another bathroom here. Wow. And another shower. So like that's 3 showers. Lots of showers. And I'll just conclude the video just back outside again through the front door to the pool. There we go.